Steel Bite Pro is a dietary supplement that delivers promising oral and dental health results in as fast as days. Gum problems are a real problem among adults. This is since people are immersed in high sugar and unhealthy diet nowadays. With the rise of fast food and decadence to sweet things, our teeth take the beating while we neglect their overall condition. This is because we think they're strong enough to withstand blow after blow. Steel Bite Pro gives people the edge they need to combat pesky oral and dental diseases such as gingivitis, periodontitis, and plaque and tartar buildup. This supplement is the ultimate answer to falling teeth, bleeding gums, and debilitating pain that doesn't permit you to sleep at night. Steel Bite Pro pros are, it has a powerful antibacterial mix, making it useful against bad bacterial colonies residing in the mouth. It can make the saliva more powerful, thereby making it lethal against microbes and bacteria residing in the hard-to-reach areas of your mouth. Can help with certain respiratory illnesses. It can help with certain digestive problems. It also has antiviral properties as well, can make healing faster thanks to the regenerative properties of some ingredients found in Steel Bite Pro, can make teeth stronger, can provide your body with insane amounts of vitamins and minerals, works fast within days. Steel Bite Pro cons are, jack of all trades type of supplement, does not focus on oral health only available from their official website, not available elsewhere. Steel Bite Pro works as intended, but it isn't as specified as it's supposed to be. There are certain parts of its blend that contains properties that are for the respiratory and digestive systems. Still, it works just fine. Learn more about the components and ingredients of this supplement in the next parts of the review below. Locate bacterial colonies and destroy them. With the plaque and tartar continuously softened over time, bacterial colonies will eventually be exposed against countermeasures. By using purifying and antibacterial components, we can eliminate bacteria that can cause oral diseases. Artichoke, Chanca piedra, and raspberry are used to fight these said bacteria, tighten loose gums, heal wounds, and cement the teeth roots. Now that bacteria are continuously fought on even ground, it's time to repair the damage left by these germs. For that, Steel Bite Pro uses yarrow and beetroot for their regenerative properties, strengthen teeth crowns by filling them with vitamins and minerals. Teeth crowns are prone to damage from external sources. Sugary foods can wreak havoc on it, and eventually, if it becomes damaged to the point of the cavity, other bacteria may cause bad breath and tooth pain. By strengthening your teeth with vitamins and minerals found in dandelion, alfalfa, zinc, and jujube, you can be sure that your teeth can take a beating from the food you love to eat regularly. Purify and detoxify the gut and balance of mouth bacteria. By using chicory root, celery seed, burdock root, and yellow dock, your saliva can have the needed properties to keep the number of bacteria in your mouth in check. This, therefore, prevents you from experiencing bacterial outbreaks that can complicate things in the future. Form an impenetrable shield. The last step is to protect your teeth and gums from all kinds of threats shortly. With bacteria under control and your teeth strengthened, inflammations won't happen more often, and thus, your gums won't recede as frequently as to cause certain gum disorders. To protect your oral health to the fullest, Steel Bite Pro utilizes grapeseed extract, ginger, feverfew, methionine, and L-cysteine. These ingredients can eliminate inflammation, increase immunity, and provide pain relief whenever necessary. Steel Bite Pro tries to target bacteria at its core to prevent further gum complications. It also tries to strengthen the teeth and make the saliva more powerful to prevent future bacterial infections. The result would be less inflammation, therefore eliminating the threat of gum recession. It's a well-thought-out process, and it can work if the supplement is taken regularly. However, it may also not work on other people just because of innate tolerances in their system. Steel Bite Pro Supplement Summary. Steel Bite Pro does what it says in the title. This supplement will give you stronger gripping bites that you can rely on without hurting or damaging your gum. Your teeth are one of your most important confidence boosters, and without them, you may as well hide in plain sight if you're extremely conscious of the eyes that are looming around you. Steel Bite Pro can deal with any type of oral disease, whether with gums or tooth decay. With that said, I would recommend Steel Bite Pro to anyone who has problems with the gums and teeth or those who are just willing to try the product out for added protection. Try it risk-free. Order Steel Bite Pro here with a full money-back guarantee.